Hi, in front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access safety and emergency. Then scroll all the way down and click on Emergency Contacts. Now click on Add Emergency Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to remove one of them, click on this icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of. And last but not least, make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!